Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimokucharts.com daily analysis for gold for Tuesday, June the 23rd. Well, the market is still in a first time frame downtrend. The previous day established a lower high and a lower low, which changed the previous small uptrend here to a downtrend, and we have a continuation of the lower high and lower low today. Now, quite a change of character for the market. The previous day's trading was a very small body with a long upper shadow or upper wick and a smaller lower shadow, which meant that there was small net gain by the bulls and the bears on the day, and strong downside rejection and moderate upside rejection. Now, quite a change of character for the market today. We have a green body and a slightly larger body as well, although still a small body for this candle. So the bulls have made some net gain for the day. So there's a positive bias to the market, the way it's traded over the day. Now, interestingly, if we look at this long shadow, that represents buying. So the market sold off and the buyers came in and bought the market back up. Now that interacted with the top of the cloud. And we know that the cloud or the Kumo will act as an area of support or resistance. And here the Kumo has acted as an area of support. We had buying coming in. Now the bulls are in control and they're showing some sort of commitment to this market because they've closed the market up here near the high, and certainly the bears have lost control of this market, and they've lost any commitment on yesterday's trading that they may have had during the trading day. Now we need to bear in mind though that the trend is still down, so we still have a downtrend. So the likelihood when we have a downtrend is that the next day's trading action will be to the downside. That makes it important for us to watch the high of the current candle. Now, looking at our other Ichimoku indicators, if we take a look at the Tenkan-sen, the Tenkan-sen has been pointing down for quite a while, which meant that the market has some good, strong downside momentum, and the angle that it's pointing down is quite steep. We can see here how when we had the market correct, it found some sort of resistance near the Tenkan-sen line, which we know will act as an area of support or resistance in fast-moving markets. And what we might expect is that if this market does retrace back up here, if we do have a change of trend in the first time frame to the upside, then we'd look to the Tenkan-sen to hold as resistance again, look for some bearishness for a sell-off. Now, it's probably not a good place to go short because we have this cloud here, the Kumo, and we know that that will potentially act as an area of support, so that will limit any downside move for the time being. Now, interestingly, as the market trades through the next few days, we come to a very, very small area of the cloud, which means that the amount of support that the cloud will give will be very, very small through this region here where I have the cursor. And there will be, if the market does trade down, there's a strong chance that the market will be able to break that resistance to the downside. But we'll have to wait and see how the market trading develops over the next few days and look at how it interacts when we trade down around there. Now, we're still just trading above the cloud, which means that there still is some sort of bullishness, some sort of bullish bias to the market. But we're trading down below both the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, which are both pointing down, which means that the market is quite bearish, especially when both of these lines point down. It means that there's quite a strong downside bias to the market. Although very short term on the day, we had that buying coming in. So what we need to do is watch the cloud here. If the market does sell off, look for the cloud to hold as some sort of support, or look for resistance if the market does trade up to around the Tenkan-sen.